So guys, everybody had food. I know everybody wants sleep. Nigga right is kicking in.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. You know it's Epic Tours, where it's all about fun, food, travel, adventure, while being able to work remotely. Alright guys, so as I said, we are at Columbus Heights, apartment number 9. It's looking very nice, won't lie. So here we have the kitchen area. It's very lovely. And then here we have the first bedroom. I feel like someone is in here. Hi, who is this? How are you doing, Kendra?
Oh my God, this is so comfortable. And look at the view.
Oh. Which is where we're going right about now. Look at that. She's comfortable. And she has a nice little bathroom too. All right. All right, so I'll soon see you, Kenya.
All right,
Let's go into the next bedroom. Who do we have in here? Hi, April. What's poppin'?
Girl, this place is lit.
The jokers that we have in here, listen, guys. So here's the bedroom, and they have the mirror. So we're gonna be doing some videos. This bathroom is nice.
Yeah.
I feel like this one has more space than the other one.
Oh.
So guys. And then we're going on the balcony. The party's on the balcony. Let's go, guys. Who is this? Hi, Annie.
Hey, Mom.
What you doing? You just chilling?
Yo, this view is
Cool.
For this food. Y'all better. It's bad.
April.
not for you two. That's I don't know how I'm in a jump. I don't understand. I'm in a jump here.